welcome to Tech2. Today I am going to talking about Envato. Many of us want Envato for their purpose of video editing and something like that. And now, but the limitation of Envato is the price. It's too costly for monthly, but they provide unlimited downloads. So now the solution is here. If you go to Envato, you'll saw the price, and if you access as a student, you will got here only for 13 USDT, not less than that. But now Tech2 will provide you a website login Envato download system. You can download 30 files for a day. That will be the limit of your. No need to sign in or buy subscription for $16 per month. We will provide you it in a cheap price. If anyone want this type, you can contact with us also. Now let's see how can we find out it and how can you log in on the website. We will provide you and you can download your 30 files in a day and with full quality. Okay, let's see. So my dear friend, there is the page, and now we are going to show you that how can you log in on our panel of Envato and the website of our we will provide you. So simply after going Envato website, we will provide you a download link and also a mail and password of login on the website. So simply go to the copy the link and paste it here. So after pasting it, you'll got this page, element store. Then copy your mail and copy the password, and the password and email you can take on your own email address. So you need to log in, so simply copy it, and after pasting you will got this page. Okay, I have already logged in here, and here's the information for you. You can download from this option, that is the Envato element, and you can download 30 element per day. Okay, and that will be the one month subscription, and you have to renew for every month. Okay, you can renew it. And how can you download it? Go to Envato element and let's see. And here if you want to download this element, you can download by this option and simply copy it and paste it here. Simply copy it and paste it here, and after pasting this you will got this. And continue download, simply continue click. After clicking continue, you have downloaded the element you needed. In this way you can download 30 element per day. Okay, thank you for watching and stay with us.